Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the benefits of the Chase Sapphire Reserve in 2024. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So you will have many benefits when you're availing the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So you have benefits in travel, dining, ultimate rewards, lounges, protection, events, wellness, and services. So under travel, you can get $300 travel credit. So you can get reimbursed for up to $300 in travel purchases you make with your Sapphire Reserve card. Next is you earn 10 times total points on hotels and car rentals purchased through the Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. Next is you can also book through the Edit. So experience distinct benefits at a curated collection of hotels and resorts when you book through the Edit by Chase Travel, an exclusive benefit for Sapphire Reserve card members. And then you also get 5 times points on flights through Chase Travel. So you can earn 5 times total points on flights purchased travel through the Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. Moving on is we have dining. So under dining, you can have access to private dining series. So sit down for a memorable meal at some of the most sought after restaurants in the country. And you'll also earn triple the points at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery service with your Sapphire Reserve card. From Sunday brunch to a birthday dinner, meals out mean more rewards. Next is we have Ultimate Rewards. So under Ultimate Rewards, your points are worth 50% more when you redeem them for airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruise lines through Chase Travel. And you'll also get World Travel Assistance, whether you need help booking travel or modifying a reservation count on the full service support of the Chase Travel team. Next is we have lounges. So under lounges, you can enjoy complimentary Priority Pass Select membership. So departing for your destination is more relaxing with access to 1,300 Priority Pass airport lounges in 600 cities around the world. Plus, every Sapphire Lounge by the club after a one-time enrollment in Priority Pass Select. Next, you can also visit Sapphire Lounge by the club. So you can relax and refresh at the Sapphire Lounge and enjoy locally inspired menus, a curated selection of beverages, an atmosphere to remember, and more. And then we also have the Reserve Suites by Chase. So Reserve card members, treat yourself to the Reserve Suites at the Sapphire Lounge by the club at LaGuardia Airport in Terminal B. So you can enjoy caviar service on arrival, specially curated wine lists by parcel, exclusive menus by Jeffrey's Grocery, private bathrooms with spa showers, and more. Next is we have protection. So under protection, you can have trip cancellation / interruption insurance. So if your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, and other covered situations, you can be reimbursed up to $10,000 per person and $20,000 per trip for your prepaid non-refundable travel expenses. So this includes passenger fares, tours, and hotels. Next is auto rental collision damage waiver. So you can decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the entire rental cost to your card. So coverage is primary and provides reimbursement up to $75,000 for theft and collision damage for rental cars in the US and abroad. Next is events. So under events, you can get exclusive access to Reserved by Sapphire. So you can explore one-of-a-kind experiences from private dinners hosted by award-winning chefs to VIP access at the most sought-after events. See where your Sapphire Reserve card can take you. Next is events and experiences lounges. So you can enjoy comfortable seating at Chase Sapphire events in prime locations, complimentary food and drinks, plus a range of amenities such as a drink concierge, charging stations, Wi-Fi, and more. Next is we have wellness. So under wellness, you can earn up to 10 times total points on Peloton. So work out your way from HIIT rides to walks and hikes to strength training and more. So you can get 10 times total points on Peloton equipment and accessory purchases over $150 with a max earn of 50,000 points. So shop Peloton bikes, tread, guide, or row. So the offer ends on March 31, 2025. And then lastly is we have benefits on services. So under services, you can get 24/7 access to customer service. So you can talk to a dedicated specialist whenever you need assistance. So simply call the number on the back of your card. And then lastly, we have Visa Infinite Concierge service. So contact Visa Infinite Concierge at this number right here for help with dinner reservations or Broadway, music, and sporting event tickets. So yeah, those are pretty much the benefits that you can get from the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe.